schedule an appointment with one of our firm's Michigan attorneys, a partner men can count on. 313-465-1999. Online at CordellCordell.com. That's CordellCordell.com. Offices in Troy, Ann Arbor, and Southfield.
This is Mark Essie for Small Talk, and you can listen to my show every Sunday morning at 8 a.m. And this week, we will be discussing an entrepreneurial fund that focused on supporting Detroit-based businesses and talking to an organization's CEO on why it's important to give back via donations this time of the year. Please tune in this Sunday at 8 a.m. on CBS Sports Radio 1270. Same-day podcast available at LeadGroupInnovation.com. That's LeadGroupInnovation.com.
This holiday season, be sure to give gifts that everyone loves. Give gifts from Lover's Lane, like our Christmas bundle. It's 3 gifts in one. A piece of lingerie, petite to plus size, a bedroom toy, both totaling $100 or more. Then receive half off a love kit. What's a love kit? Our romance specialist will show you all the steamy details. This holiday season, start playing together at Lover's Lane. If you can't decide, give a gift card.
Hi, Sam H., General Sales Manager from Crest Ford and Summer. It's the Ford year-end event, and there's no better time to buy a new car. Spoil yourself this holiday season with a brand new ride. Whether you're in the market for a new or pre-owned vehicle, Crest Ford and Sunline has your best deal guaranteed. Take advantage of some of the best deals we have right now. Lease a 2017 Ford F-150 for $191 a month, or 2017 Ford Escape for $142 a month. Forget about the rest and go to Crest. Crest Ford, located just 3 blocks south of 696 on Van Dyke in Centerline, or visit us online at crestford.com. That's crestford.com.
Jamie and Stoney are giving away a pair of Red Wings tickets for every home game this season. Listen each week to Jamie and Stoney from 6 to 10 in the morning for your chance to win a pair of tickets to see your Red Wings in the farewell season for the Joe. For tickets to all Detroit Red Wings home games, go to DetroitRedWings.com. From the Detroit Red Wings and your home for Red Wings hockey. 97.1 The Ticket.
Did you know there's more than one Las Vegas? There's the Strip, where it's families on vacation and questionable odds. Then there's downtown Vegas, the original gambling